Hi guys, Dotson Guice here with MarineMax Charleston. I want to show you guys a brand new listing. This is a 2020 Scout 355 LXF professionally maintained vessel, and she is absolutely stunning. So we show you a bit of the exterior, but she is in midnight blue with a Grigio interior. You'll see she's got radar, outriggers, VHF, triple helm seats, independent bolsters, triple 12-inch Garmin's, joystick control, and we've got triple 350 Verados from Mercury Marine. Digital switching there. A little touch down in the cabin. Vacuum flush, refrigerator, TV, and berth that converts. Trash receptacle on the port side of the helm. Tackle drawers on the starboard side. Aft convertible seat. Flips down to a prep station or bar on the transom. That quickly folds away. Underneath it, this boat is equipped with a Seakeeper 3. Port entry dive door and docking door. Dive ladder stored there. Freshwater and raw water at the deck. Again, triple 350 Verados from Mercury Marine. Joystick controlled. Aft jump seat with the large aft bait well or fish box. Pull out transom seat. This boat also has the aft sunshade option as well as the power table in the bow. If you guys have any questions about this beautifully maintained 2020 355 LXF, please give me a call at 843-747-1889. And again, this is Dotson Guice with MarineMax in Charleston. We look forward to meeting you.